Hi, and welcome back to our GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research. Today, we'll talk about the relationships between the safety terms in a clinical trials. More after the break. Let's start with the relationships between the safety terms in a clinical trials. First of all, a little review of the safety terms you should know. If you don't know them, no problem, please have a look at our other videos on the relevant topics first. We remember the terms adverse events, serious adverse event, adverse drug reaction, unexpected adverse events, and suspected unexpected serious adverse reaction. In general, an adverse event is any untoward medical occurrence in a patient or clinical investigation subject administered a pharmaceutical product and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with this treatment. New adverse events are named unexpected adverse events. A serious adverse event in human drug trials is defined as any untoward medical occurrence that at any dose and results in death, is life-threatening, requires inpatient hospitalization, or causes prolongation of existing hospitalization, results in persistent or significant disability/incapacity, may have caused a congenital anomaly/birth defect, or requires intervention to prevent permanent impairment or damage. An adverse drug reaction is a harmful, unintended result caused by taking medication. Adverse drug reactions may occur following a single dose or prolonged administration of a drug or result from the combination of two or more drugs. The meaning of this term differs from the term side effect because side effects can be beneficial as well as detrimental. A suspected unexpected serious adverse reaction is a serious adverse reaction for which a reasonable causal relationship with the medicine use is suspected but not confirmed. Unexpected in this context means not consistent with the applicable investigator's brochure. But how is the relationship between the safety terms changing throughout a clinical trial? Let's have a look at this graphic. You can see that the number of adverse events and serious adverse events remains stable throughout the development phases of a drug because they do not need to be drug-related. The number of drug reactions increases because the sponsor usually learns more about the drug during each project, whereas the number of unexpected adverse events decreases due to the fact that most adverse drug reactions have already been experienced. This is also the reason why you can expect much more SUSA reports within a phase I study compared to a late-phase Roman-3 study. Keep these relationships between the safety terms in mind when looking at your clinical trials. So much about the relationships between the safety terms in a clinical trials. We hope that we could give you some interesting information and look forward to see you next time. Goodbye.